Welcome back. Today we'll talk about how to troubleshooting pneumatic valve or cylinder. Most common problem with a cylinder or valve is that the cylinder is moving faster or slower than usual, or for example, it's have loss of power, or a cylinder moving with hits like little jogs, or for example, there's hissing or sound from here usually, or maybe sometimes from here. And for example, if hissing sounds is from here, it's pretty easy. You just use soap water or something, or you can hear it's going through here. And in the next video, I will explain how to repair such cylinder, so you can check it here. Sometimes it's not so easy. You just can hear, for example, it's hissing from valve. Could be problem in valve that valve o-rings are broke, air going through air. And if you are interested how valve looking inside, please check this video because I tear up similar type to valve. But for example, sometimes sound is hissing from valve exhaust, but problem is not in the valve but in the cylinder, because as you see, I push the air here, or air goes here, 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 and here's a piston inside it, and it's going that way. But on piston we have seal. And for example, what will happen if seal inside is broken? Theoretically, this air that's coming here will go through the piston, go back here, and all the time hissing will be here. So most easiest way how to check is it valve or is it a cylinder is just take off one tube, opposite side of tube, and if there is no pressure, no hissing, no leaking, you can just close it. Wait a minute, you will feel this pressure, or you can again use soap solution and see bubbles or not seeing bubbles. For example, now there's totally new cylinder, there's no problem. And if you have problem on other side, do the same, but just the opposite. Yeah, there's no problem. Again, if you want to check is it valve or is it not valve, theoretically, yeah, you just do the same. Disconnect it from cylinder, close it, or you can close it this way just to up pressure gain in the valve. And if there is a leakage here or here, that means that the valve is broken. And if one side is okay, you just do it with another side. Yeah, and theoretically it's simple as that, but it's very powerful way how to know what you need to repair, cylinder or valve, because okay, it's a very simple scheme, but sometimes it's like 20, 30, 100 valves and a lot of cylinders, and it's very difficult to understand what we need to repair. And if we start just changing everything, it would be very costly. Okay, if you have some questions, please ask in the comments, and see you next one.